Hello everyone, Namaste. One of the most powerful ways to build wealth in the market is through SIPs. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can calculate your SIP returns, and that through simple Excel spreadsheet. And after you learn how to calculate the SIP returns through this video, you can calculate it for the recently launched index funds that have been in the market, such as Mire Assets Mid Small 400 Momentum Quality ETF Fund, or say for example Motilal's Microcap 250 Index Fund. For now, you are just dependent on their fact sheet or the data that these fund houses have been provided about the SIP returns. But if you see the historical data of these funds underlying index on the NSE website, you can calculate the SIP returns simply yourself. And calculating the SIP returns yourself will not only give you more conviction in your trading, but will also let you know how exactly your investments are performing. So let's dive deep into Excel spreadsheet where I will show you how you can do the calculation on your own. So out here is a SIP return example for one of my investments in HDFC Small Cap Mutual Fund. Out here is the date of my investments and the amount of the investment. So out here, if you see 26th April 2024, I had put around 3600 rupees, and these are the total investments, or you could say the cash flows of the investments, and then this is the total amount, current amount as of date of recording this video, which is 6th December 2024. Now we want to calculate this SIP return. Currently this has a SIP return of around 35%. Okay, so I've not invested every month basis. I have invested whenever I had the amount to invest on this fund. So you just simply copy this and paste it in an Excel spreadsheet. So these are the dates where I had done the investments, and this is the amount of the investment. If you see, it is a negative sign out here because this is the amount I'm paying. Okay, and as of 6th December, the total value is 23305.67. So just simple calculate SIP return. You just need to calculate write equal to XIR and the values. These are the values. See, these are the last, all these values are negative, and the value as on date, the amount of the total investment should be in positive to calculate this. And then these are the dates I have done the investment. You just select it using hit enter, and that's, you get a SIP return of 35%. Now as a sample, how you can use the SIP returns to calculate the returns of index funds that have been launched recently is, you go to the NSE indices website, go to the historical data, and you can download, select the total returns index value, and you get equity index. And then there are so many indexes you can calculate the SIP returns. For example, I had selected the Nifty Microcap 250 index data from here, and then you can select the time period to calculate the SIP returns. And this is an exercise for you guys to do it yourself. And this is the Microcap index data, and what I had calculated, that since inception return, if you had put 10,000, done a 10,000 rupee SIP in this index, would be 21%, and that is from April 1, 2005 onwards. So I'm not going to explain this. This is as an exercise, you do it, and if you have any queries, you can put it in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.